Welcome to our video on computer RAM. Have you ever wondered what those little memory sticks inside your computer do? Stick around as we dive into the world of random access memory. What is RAM? RAM stands for Random Access Memory, a type of computer memory that allows data to be accessed randomly. The RAM provides quick access to data that the computer's processor is actively using. Unlike your computer's storage, which holds data even when the power is off, RAM is volatile and loses its contents when the power is turned off. RAM works by temporarily storing data that the CPU wants to access quickly. This allows the computer to run multiple programs simultaneously and switch between them seamlessly. Without an adequate amount of RAM, your computer may struggle to keep up with the demands of modern applications. Purpose and function of RAM active workspace. RAM serves as the active workspace for the computer's processor, providing quick access to data that is actively being used or processed. Temporary storage. When you open a program or file, it gets loaded into RAM, allowing for faster access than retrieving the data from slower storage devices like hard drives. Types of RAM. Now, let's dive into the different types of RAM and understand their unique characteristics. Dynamic Random Access Memory, DRAM. Dynamic Random Access Memory stores each bit of data in a separate capacitor within an integrated circuit. The capacitor must be periodically refreshed to maintain the data, hence the term dynamic. DRAM is cheaper and denser than other types, but slower and requires more power. Static Random Access Memory, SRAM. Static Random Access Memory uses flip-flops to store each bit, and unlike DRAM, doesn't need to be constantly refreshed, making it faster. SRAM is more expensive and less dense than DRAM but faster and requires less power. Double Data Rate Synchronous Dynamic Random Access Memory, DDR-SDRAM. Double Data Rate Synchronous Dynamic Random Access Memory is an evolution of SDRAM that transfers data on both the rising and falling edges of the clock signal, effectively doubling the data transfer rate. DDR-SDRAM is faster than traditional SDRAM, widely used in modern computers. Low-Power Double Data Rate Synchronous Dynamic Random Access Memory, LPDDR. Low-Power Double Data Rate Synchronous Dynamic Random Access Memory is a type of DDR-SDRAM designed for low-power devices like mobile phones and tablets. LPDDR is optimized for energy efficiency, commonly found in portable devices. How RAM works. Now that we know the types, let's discuss how a RAM actually works. When you open a program or file, it gets loaded into RAM. This allows for much quicker access compared to retrieving data from slower storage devices, such as drives. Think of it as your computer's active workspace. Importance of RAM to the computer system. Fast access to data. RAM provides quick access to data that the CPU needs to actively process. The speed of RAM significantly influences overall system performance. Multitasking. RAM enables a computer to run multiple programs simultaneously. Each open application and background process consumes a certain amount of RAM, and having more RAM allows for smoother multitasking. Temporary storage. When you open a program or file, it gets loaded into RAM for quick access. The more RAM you have, the more applications and data can be stored for immediate use, reducing the need to access slower storage devices like hard drives. System stability. Having an adequate amount of RAM prevents system slowdowns, freezing, and crashes, as it ensures that the CPU has enough space to operate efficiently without constantly accessing slower storage devices. Factors influencing RAM performance. Capacity. The amount of RAM in a system determines how much data can be stored and accessed at any given time. Speed. RAM speed, measured in megahertz, affects how quickly data can be read and written. Type. Different RAM types offer varying trade-offs in terms of speed, cost, and power efficiency. Upgrading RAM benefits. Upgrading RAM can lead to significant improvements in system performance, especially when dealing with resource-intensive tasks or running multiple applications simultaneously. Considerations. Compatibility with the motherboard, type of RAM slots available, and the maximum supported RAM capacity are crucial factors when upgrading. So, there you have it, the ins and outs of computer random access memory, RAM. Understanding the types, how they work, and the importance of RAM in your computer system is crucial for optimizing performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and until next time.